Have you ever witnessed a clash of titans in the miniature world? A silent, deadly ballet where survival is the only prize. Today, we pull back the curtain on one of nature's most dramatic confrontations, the fight between the scorpion and the grasshopper. This isn't just a random encounter. It's a profound display of contrasting life strategies, a high-stakes duel that reveals the very essence of adaptation and survival. Get ready to be captivated as we delve into a world where a patient predator meets an agile survivor, and every move could be the last. This is the story of two completely different approaches to life, a tale of shadow and sun, of caution and courage. Who will emerge victorious? The answer might just change the way you see the world under your feet. The purpose of observing this intense interaction between a scorpion and a grasshopper extends far beyond mere spectacle. It serves as a powerful, living lesson in ecology and biology, allowing us to understand the intricate and often brutal ways different animals live and adapt to their environments. By witnessing this primal conflict, we gain a deeper appreciation for the unique roles each species plays in maintaining the delicate and complex balance of nature. This isn't just a fight, it's a microscopic glimpse into the grand, interconnected web of life, where every creature, from the fearsome hunter to the humble herbivore, is a vital thread. Each has evolved a specific set of skills, a unique blueprint for survival that allows it to thrive in its niche. The scorpion, a master of ambush and patience, represents the forces that control populations from the shadows. The grasshopper, a symbol of boundless energy and dispersal, represents the vibrancy and constant movement within an ecosystem. Their encounter is a microcosm of the larger ecological drama that unfolds every second. Everywhere on Earth, it demonstrates the predator-prey dynamic, a fundamental engine of evolution that drives species to become stronger, faster, and smarter. Understanding this relationship helps us appreciate why biodiversity is so crucial. A world with only predators or only prey would collapse. It is the tension between them, the constant dance of chase and evasion, that fosters resilience and stability within the natural world. Therefore, by observing this single, dramatic event, we are not just watching two animals, we are learning about the very principles that govern life itself, and the beautiful, brutal harmony that arises from the struggle for existence. The scorpion is the embodiment of calm, calculated lethality. It is a creature born of shadows and patience, a living testament to the evolutionary principle that sometimes the most effective strategy is to wait. Observers will note that scorpions are not creatures of frantic energy, they are paragons of conservation. Every movement is deliberate, measured and purposeful. They can remain motionless for hours, even days, merging so perfectly with their surroundings that they become little more than a whisper of a threat, a deadly secret hidden in plain sight. This stillness is not laziness, it is a highly evolved hunting tactic. By minimizing its own energy expenditure, the scorpion becomes a hyper-efficient predator, waiting for the perfect moment to strike when the odds are overwhelmingly in its favor. This profound calmness is backed by a formidable arsenal of special physical features, each honed over millions of years to perfection. The most iconic of these are its powerful pincers, or pedipalps. These are not just for grasping. They are sophisticated sensory tools, covered in fine hairs that can detect the faintest vibrations in the air or ground, alerting the scorpion to the approach of unsuspecting prey or potential threats. When the time comes, these pincers snap shut with crushing force, immobilizing a victim. But the true signature weapon is the tail, or metasoma, arching gracefully over its back and culminating in a sharp, venomous stinger called a telson. This isn't a weapon of first resort, but a decisive tool for subduing larger, struggling prey, or for defending against a formidable predator. The venom itself is a complex cocktail of neurotoxins, precisely engineered to paralyze or kill. Furthermore, its tough exoskeleton acts as a suit of armor, providing excellent protection against physical attacks and preventing dehydration in the harsh, arid environments it often calls home. Together, these features, the patient demeanor, the sensitive pincers, the venomous stinger, and the protective armor make the scorpion a master of its domain. It is a cautious and calculating creature that interacts with its world not through speed, but through stealth, strategy, and the undeniable power it holds in its very form. In stark contrast to the scorpion's shadowy patience stands the grasshopper, a creature of boundless energy and untamed vitality. The grasshopper is the very picture of an active and energetic insect, a vibrant spark of life that animates the grasslands and meadows. Its existence is defined by movement, a constant flurry of activity from sunrise to sunset. While the scorpion conserves its energy with monastic discipline, the grasshopper expends it with joyous abandon, leaping, flying, and feeding in a perpetual cycle of exploration and consumption. This dynamic lifestyle is made possible by one of the most remarkable feats of biomechanical engineering in the insect world, its powerful hind legs. These are not simply for walking. They are catapults capable of launching the grasshopper distances that are many times its own body length. This incredible leaping ability is its primary mode of defense and travel. At the slightest hint of danger, the shadow of a bird, the rustle of a predator in the grass, the grasshopper can explode into the air, covering a significant distance in an instant and disappearing into the dense foliage. This allows it to easily evade slower predators and to explore vast territories in search of food and mates. Its strong legs are a ticket to freedom, granting it access to a wide and varied world. But the grasshopper's adaptations for an active life don't end there. Its large, compound eyes provide a wide field of vision, crucial for spotting both food and danger from multiple angles. Its antennae are constantly twitching, sampling the air for chemical cues that might signal the presence of a mate or a tasty plant. Even its coloration often provides excellent camouflage, blending it seamlessly with the green and brown hues of its environment when it is at rest. The grasshopper's entire being is geared towards a life on the move. It is a creature of the sun, thriving in open spaces where it can harness its explosive power. This constant motion and ability to cover wide areas make the grasshopper a vital part of the food chain, both as a primary consumer of plants and as a crucial food source for a myriad of other animals. It represents the kinetic energy of the ecosystem, a restless spirit whose strength lies not in a single deadly strike, but in its agility, its awareness, and its unceasing drive to move, to explore, and to survive. In the final analysis, the scorpion and the grasshopper are more than just two creatures locked in a primal struggle. They are powerful symbols, representing two vastly different yet equally successful lifestyles, sculpted by the relentless pressures of nature. The scorpion embodies the path of shadow, strategy, and patience. It is a life lived in the quiet moments, a masterclass in energy conservation, ambush, and the devastating efficiency of a single, perfectly timed strike. It teaches us that power does not always need to be loud or ostentatious. Sometimes the greatest strength lies in waiting, in knowing exactly when and where to act. Its existence is a testament to the success of a defensive, calculated approach to the challenges of the world. On the other side of the spectrum, the grasshopper represents the path of light, energy, and unbridled dynamism. Its life is a whirlwind of motion, a celebration of agility and escape. It survives not by hiding, but by outmaneuvering its threats, by using its explosive power to explore new horizons and seize opportunities as they arise. The grasshopper shows us that survival can also be found in speed, awareness, and the ability to rapidly adapt to a changing landscape. It is the embodiment of kinetic energy, a symbol of life's vibrant and restless pulse. By learning about their unique characteristics, the scorpion's venomous precision and the grasshopper's athletic evasion, we gain a far richer and more profound appreciation for the staggering concept of biodiversity. These two animals, in their dramatic opposition, illuminate the truth that there is no single correct way to live. Nature's genius lies in its infinite variety, in the countless solutions it has devised for the puzzle of survival. Their conflict and coexistence are a microcosm of the entire natural world, a dynamic, pulsating system where every creature, with its unique set of skills, contributes to the overall resilience and harmony. The scorpion and the grasshopper, hunter and hunted, shadow and light. Together form a complete picture of life's beautiful, brutal, and ultimately perfect balance. Their story is a powerful reminder of the intricate and awe-inspiring harmony of the natural world, a world that is infinitely more complex and fascinating than we could ever imagine.